My name's Rick, and I spend all day explaining to people about light bulbs. Makes it a little less confusing. And a soft white bulb used to 100 watts would give you 100 watts of light. Now they've made them 28% more energy efficient. So a 72 watt bulb actually gives you 100 watts of light. You can get that in a regular or a long life. Here's a 75 that does the same thing, using 53 watts of power to give you 75 watts of light. Now the way that you buy bulbs now is by the Kelvin, or what people call K. So your regular bulbs that you grew up with are soft white. Now this is kind of a yellowish look. You can get that in a standard CFL or LED. The more blue that you add to it, the higher you go up the Kelvin scale. So a warm white, soft white is actually using 2700K. A warm white is using 3500K. It looks a little brighter. You can only get that in a standard or an LED bulb. As you add more blue to it, it goes higher up the Kelvin scale and it goes to a bright white. You can see it's a little brighter. It's 4100K. You can only get that in a CFL bulb. And then the brightest bulb that we sell is a natural daylight. This is a 6500K. And you can actually get that in a compact fluorescent or CFL or an LED. Now all of these are color coded when it comes to the compact fluorescents. In your regular bulbs, you can only get soft white, which is the yellowish, a 2700K. But when you go with the compact fluorescent, they're color coded. The yellow is actually a soft white, or 2700K. Light blue is a bright white, or 4100K. And dark blue is a 6500K, or a natural daylight. There's a scale over here that shows you a little better. Here's a kind of a yellowish looking kitchen, 2700K. And as you go up the scale, there's 3500. It gets a little more blue in it and it gets a little brighter. 4100K is a cool white. 5000K, you can see that's a good little bit of blue in it. It's a natural daylight. And then 6500K, look at all the blue. That's a natural daylight also. The way these bulbs are set up is to kind of give you a brighter look than what you had in the past. You can get a reveal bulb, which is about the same as what you had in the regular bulb, but it has a touch of blue in it. It kind of cleans it up. Here on the front it'll show you that the bulb on the left there is kind of yellowish. The reveal actually cleans it up a little bit and makes it a little more white. I'll try and get into more of these a little bit as we go along, but I just wanted to start you off by Kelvin so that you have an understanding of what I'm saying when I say Kelvin or K. Remember, 2700K, 3500K, 4100K, and 6500K. This is just a little touch of knowledge.